Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and I have a lovely success story to share with you today. Client ID 7067. This client had been through absolute hell and back with a separation. He was left with all the debts. He was absolutely drowning. He had financial hardship, long term. He had mental health issues. He had no support. He found it difficult to pay everything, and then he ended up going through a fantastic debt negotiator by the name of Lawrence Hugo. I've been referring to Lawrence for a long time now where people are currently in financial distress. So we can't help you if you're currently in financial distress. We usually get people after they've gone through a tough time. They're now in a position to move forward with their wealth creation journey, but something's stopping them in regards to their credit report, for example, a default or a court action. So this client had been through a horrific separation. Lawrence got him back on track, got his debts decreased right down and paid out, and now our client was ready to move forward with his life. However, he was left with a $29,000 personal loan default. And this meant getting any sort of finance was either going to be impossible or too expensive, which left him standing with no wealth creation journey options at all, even though he was back on his feet again after going through such a horrific time. So we were happy to have him on board, and I'm pleased to say within a few weeks we removed the default from his credit report, and his credit score went up from 525, so just below average, to 862, which I'm pretty sure is in the excellent bracket. And the default itself was gone, which would have been on for another 2 years. So that would have been 2 years of him not being able to achieve his dreams for his future. So that's what we do at Credit Fix Solutions. I love that success story because for someone to go through so much and then just to be able to hold his hand through the last step and get him to that point where, there's light at the end of a very long and dark tunnel. It's what I'm really passionate about. If you have any problems with your credit reports, if you have any questions about your credit report or your score, maybe you just need some education, please reach out. We've got some fantastic guides that you can read. We are happy to do training. We're happy to meet with you in person. We can offer you free assessments on credit reports and DIY options. It's not all about paying someone money and they can fix it. It's not about that. And anyway, with us, we're only charging if and when we can successfully fix a credit report. But if it's something simple that you can do yourself, we'll let you know how you can. Thanks for listening.